Hey, I'm Mike Smithson. I'm the Operations Director for Law Enforcement Against Prohibition. We're an international nonprofit organization that was founded 6 years ago by 5 cops. We now have more than 10,000 members in 90 countries. But not just cops, we also have judges, prosecutors, prison wardens, border patrol agents, anyone who's been in the criminal justice system, as well as concerned citizens who believe the war on drugs is a public policy failure. Now, we go beyond that. We say not only is the public policy failure the war on drugs is, but also we believe we should regulate and legalize all drugs. Obviously, that's a very provocative and compelling statement, but who better to explain the issue than a cop who has been busting people for drugs for years? All right, who better to explain it than a judge who has seen all these guys come through his courtroom for years? Who better than a prosecutor who's seen this going on for years? They all see that the program doesn't work because in the last 4 decades we've been fighting the war on drugs. Drugs have become more potent, they become cheaper, they become more available. And the most successful thing we've done with the war on drugs is fill our prison system. We have the biggest prison system in the world, 2.3 million people and counting. And all of those, or the vast majority of the people that are in prison, are either in or nonviolent drug offenders or in due to felonies that are due in some way to drug prohibition. Sure, drugs, are a problem. We're never going to get rid of drugs. But it's the prohibition of the product which has caused all the crime and violence, disease and death in our society, just as alcohol prohibition did the very same thing back in the 1920s. Al Capone did not kill drunks unless they were interfering with his business. The only people that Al Capone was out killing was people who were competing with him for the alcohol distribution that was going on in Chicago. That's all that's going on in our communities nowadays. The war on drugs has fueled, has funded international terrorists, drug cartels, and organized crime. And so we can greatly reduce crime, violence, disease, and death if we have some kind of regulated marketplace. Obviously, this is something a lot of people also believe, but now what's so unique is we have cops and judges and prison wardens that are speaking out on a daily basis. In fact, today, I was just told our billboard went up in Omaha, Nebraska, and it says, "Drug abuse is bad, the drug war is worse." It has our badge, it says our LEAP name, and it's directly across the street from the Nebraska State Troopers base right there in Omaha. So we're having some fun with that. We're getting more members every day, and we hope more members will come on board and join us. You can go to our website, which is leap.cc, leap.cc. You can also get to us by go to the website copssaylegalize.net, copssaylegalize.net.